How to fix Snapchat login error on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go to the settings of your device or your phone. Then you will go to apps or application. You will find all the application or apps that you have on your phone. Now you will search just for Snapchat, and when you found it like this, just open it and go to storage here. And now be careful, go to the last one here, clear data, then click OK. And when you click OK, go back and click again on force tab and click OK. And then you will back to Play Store and will update Snapchat again, and your problem will fixed correctly on your Snap. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.